Hello, good day. Viewers, in this virtual class, we'll be looking at how to handle multiplication of number with the help of multiples of 10. Here in this class, we'll be seeing how multiples of 10 can be used in getting the product of two numbers. Let's look at the case of 27 times 7. So it works for both numbers. Now let's look at 27 here. Now, how many numbers do we need to count from 27 before we get to multiples? Okay, so from 27, 28, 29, 30. So we counted how many number 1, 2, 3. So it means 27 plus 3 we make it 30. In that case, once the number you added a number to give you a multiple of 10, the essence is that this number is no longer useful anymore. Okay, all you need to do, you're going to pick this new number, the number you added to 27 to make it 30, and the 30 itself and the other multiplier, which is what? Which is 7. So you're going to make use of these three numbers. So what we're going to do is simply just to say 30 times 7. 30 times 7, 7 times 0 is 0. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. Okay, so that means 30 times 7 is 21. Then we also use this same 7 here to multiply the number we added to 27 to make it 30. So we have here 3 times 7, and that will give 21. We subtract. The next thing we also get the final answer, which is the product we have to subtract. And here it's not possible, so we borrow 1 from here, this becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. And here is 0, 0, take away 2 is not possible. We borrow 1 from here, here is reduced to 1, this becomes 10. 10 take away 2 is 8, and here become 181. If you use your calculator, you see that it is correct. Okay, but we can also do the reverse. We can also do the reverse, as maybe we decide that, okay, let's use 7. So 7 plus what will make it a multiple of 10? 7 plus 3 will make it 10. In this case, we will no longer use 7 anymore. So what we're going to use now, we're going to use this 3 and 27 as well as the 10. Okay, so let's link them together. So here, first of all, we see 27 times 10, that gives 270. Then here we have to see 3 times 27, 3 times 27. Okay, and what that gives us is 1 here. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times this 6 plus 2, that gives 81. So let's subtract whether it also gives us 189. Okay, here is not possible. Borrow 1 from here, here becomes 6. 10 here, this is 9. 6 minus 8 is not possible. We borrow 1 here, there becomes 1. This is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. See that the results are the same. Okay, now let's look at the case of 48 and 32. Now, if you look at 48, you see 48 of the next number 49, 50. So we are going to add 2 numbers to it. 48 plus 2, that gives what? 50. So in that case, we are not using this one anymore. So we're going to say 50 times 3, 2, that's 32. Okay, that means this is 320 times 5. Okay, one unique aspect of it is that it's very easy for us to multiply through when we have the multiples of 10. So here 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 2 is 10, we write down 0, carry 1. 5 times 3, 15 plus 1, 16. Okay, then the other number here we added to 48 to make it 50 is 2, so we say 2 times the other number 2, which is 32. 2 times 32, that will give us 64. So this is what we will subtract. And if we do this, borrow 1 from here, it will become 10. Borrow 1 from here, reduce to 9, it will become 10. 10 minus 6 is 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, and what is left here is 5. This is 1536. Okay? Now, let's assume we also want to make use of 32. What number do we need to add to 32 to make it 40 is 8? So here we say 32 plus 8, and that will make it what? 40, which is a multiple of 10. So in that case, we are not using 32 again, so we're going to say 48 times 40. That will give 480 times 4, which is 0. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 8 is 32. Write that to carry 3. 4 times 4, 16 plus 3, we have 1920. Now, that same 8 here, we will use the 8 to multiply 48. So 48 multiplied by 8, and that will give 8 times 8 is 64. So we put down 4, carry 6. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 6, that gives 38. So let's subtract this and see the answer here. Here it's not possible, we borrow 1 here, it becomes 6. Here it's now left with 1. 1 minus 8 is not possible, we borrow 1 from 9, reduce to 8. This is 11 minus 8 is 3. Here is 8 minus 3 is 5. So we have 1536. See that the answer they are the same. So this is how to use multiples of 10 to achieve the product of 2 or even more numbers. If you like the video, help me subscribe and also share on your social media platform. See you in my next question class.